Ethan. Hey, baby. Ethan, you want to flip? You want to show how you flip over from your tummy to your back? Ah, good job. Look at that neck muscle. Ah, did you just do that? Did you just flip? Let's do it again. Okay, hold it. Wait for it. Okay. Go, baby, go. Yay, baby! Look at what you did. Look at what you did. What do you have to say for yourself?